Go ahead, Jonna.
Yeah, I think it worked.
Try it again.
Okay, my throat's dry. But I didn't take that.
It's not.
Okay, try it again, Jonna.
Okay.
Excuse the random soda on the camera. Okay.
Okay.
You're such a fag. What? What did I tell you? I said do not drink anything near my laptop. What do? You pour it right over my laptop.
Thank God there was that clear thing there.
Don't ever be a waitress.
I was a waitress.
That's sad. Bible says.
I spilled the ice on this guy that was obsessed with summer.
The Bible says, "Do not judge."
Sorry.
She's trying to make herself sneeze for all those viewers at home.
You're getting so red. Put it more up.
I can't go anymore.
Just try to go more up.
It's really good.
Oh, it worked! She just
Shut up. Wait, who am I talking to? I don't know.
To me.
Oh. Oh God.
It was like a mental school. This is like a
Can I get another napkin? I'm crying.
Can you give her another napkin? Lisa, watch out, you're gonna
I
fall!
almost sneezed. Hold on.
Somebody put me in the back.
Oh God.
Okay.
It's like a school of stupid.
Somebody put me in the back.
You have to sing for us first.
Oh God.
Carry mine, carry mine.
Oh, you carry it? Stop.
Whoa! Who was that?
That was him.
Oh God.
There's another one.
What? Is that helping? It's going away.
You're like a
It's
big
going
baby.
away.
Shut up.
Still, okay. It's going away a little bit. Stop staring. Stop staring. Stop filming too.
Stop filming,
Oh my God.
Not like a giant.
Did that help?
Sounds like a car.
This is what I call ladylike.
It's going away. It's going away.
With food in your mouth.
Soda. Lisa, I'm filming you. I'm like, this is what I call ladylike. Okay. Sneeze?
No, but it just somehow it all came out.
Well, this is gonna be like the funniest video ever. Shauna's trying to sneeze. He's trying to talk normal again. I'm like laughing everywhere. They're just filming.
Oh God.
That's the end of this.